What's up, YouTube? Listen, family, in today's video, I want to teach you guys one of my favorite bear strategies that I like to use in a declining market. So listen, guys, we got a jam-packed video, so keep it locked. Short selling and put options are fundamentally bear strategies used to speculate on a potential decline in the underlying security or index. These strategies also help to hedge downside risks in a portfolio or a specific stock. Listen, guys, you already know, as a long-term investor, I like to buy and hold, but during years that the market is in a downtrend, I like to hedge against my account by buying puts. Okay, so in today's video, I want to walk you guys through the power of hedging and the power of using bear strategies in a downtrending market. Let's go ahead and dive into it. In today's video, I'm going to show you, as well as illustrate for you, the power of buying puts in a downtrending market, and if done correctly, how you can still grow in a bear market. Okay, listen, guys, typically on average, you will have at least 2 bear markets within the decade. So in a 10-year time span, you may experience at least 2 bear markets, meaning markets that decline at least 25% or more. Okay, these are some things you can do when you are in those kind of markets. Buying puts is a strategy. Listen, guys, we're going to go here, go hit trade options, pull up the option chain. For example, buying puts is an option you can use in a strategy such as this. Okay, you would go here, you would select the expiration date. In our example, let's just say December 2nd. Okay, and here you have buy, and then here we want to change this to a put so that we can take advantage of downward movement in a stock price, okay, or ETF. And I'm gonna show you why using the charts momentarily. Check this out, guys. If we believe at the current price is 402.01, okay, if we believe that the stock price will move down from here, okay, you can make money on this strategy by buying a put to take advantage of the downward movement within the stock. Okay, and as the stock moves down in price, you make money. So in this example, if we believe the stock price will go down to 397, in this example, if you hit the 397 put, okay, one contract will cost you guys $170. Remember this, every contract is 100-fold. Okay, it gives you the access and the right to buy 100 shares. Okay, so that's where the number gets multiplied at. But nevertheless, guys, the $1.70 times 100 will get you the $170 price. So for this amount, you can get in, and when the stock moves to the downside, this will be one way you take advantage of it. In this example here, guys, this was a play that I took advantage of to the downside when the stock made its move. Okay, and this was in one trading day. So think about, if I teach you guys, if you learn this, you can make 20,000 in a day. Now that's not the goal of this. I want to teach you just this skill set so that you, on your journey, whether it's $100 a day, $1,000 a day, you at least know what's possible. Okay, now let's go ahead and dive into the charts. Okay, guys, we pulling out the charts on this one, and I want to take your attention to this 1 week chart, and I need you to all pull up, or at least look at the SPY 1 week chart to follow along, because you can see this downward red trending line shows that we have been trending down for the past year. Okay, and so look at how at every time the market gets to a level of resistance, it is met with rejection. Okay, and that rejection is what we may be anticipating coming up here. Okay, now check it out. If this happens, this will be a nice spot to again buy a put to take the market back down. However, we are firm believers in don't guess, don't gamble, react. Okay, we don't want you guys trying to front run plays and falsely anticipate a move. We want you to wait and see what actually happens when this resistance level is tested. Okay, also, guys, the trend is your friend. You hear us saying that, and look at how this is trending. Look at this red line and how it's been trending down for the past year. Okay, and this looks to potentially continue into 2023, and that's why we are preparing you now, teaching you these things, because I don't want it to be a lost year of feeling like you can't make money when there's plenty money to be made by learning how to use bearish strategies to make some money when stocks are going to the downside. I'm also on the lookout for the first individual that uses these skills to make 100K in a bear market as well. So we got a lot of fun things to look forward to in 2023. That's why I'm teaching this stuff to you guys now. But check it out, guys. You got this red trend line happening, and it has been a level of resistance, not once, but twice so far. And then this third time is coming up, and it remains to be seen what will happen at this level, okay? But what you need to know is every time we had this strong move up, when we touched this line, we rejected down. Okay, we went up, we touched this line, and we rejected down. Okay, we are anticipating this fair rally we currently on right now. It remains to be seen, but history has shown we are not ready to return to a bull market yet. So this may very well lead to back downward pressure. Okay, so we want to see you guys take advantage of this when it happens. Okay, this is also where we talk about the trend. And right now, as you can see clearly, the market has been going down for the past year. What do you do when the market is going down? You want to hedge against your account, okay? I come on every day and show you guys my portfolio, and I try to show you guys the plays we're in and how we continuing to make money even in a bear market, okay? Because when you know the right strategies to use, you can take advantage of a bear market, because around here we use it to build our wealth for the long term, but we hedge against our account by riding plays to the downside as well as to the upside. But today's video was about puts and the power of having bear strategies in your arsenal. So listen, guys, it's very possible to make a lot of money even in a downtrending market. However, it's important that you learn the skills and how to do it in order to make sure that in down years you can still have a decent year in terms of gains. Okay, I like to kind of come on here and show you guys just different things that I've done throughout the year so that you can see even with stocks going down, we were still having a very, very successful year. Okay, now imagine this, guys, you making 20,000 in a day. If you do this 5 times in 1 year, how much is that? If you do this a couple times within 30 days, how much is that? Point being, guys, it's possible. Hopefully the setup in the charts showed you the opportunities exist. We are headed higher for now, but we are reaching a resistance level that may create an opportunity for you guys to take full advantage of having a big move to the downside. I just want to make sure the bear strategies are top of mind so that you know how to properly place a put and ride the market down and make money as stocks decline in price. Listen, guys, I hope this was helpful. We make videos like this every day. So if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result. Very few consider the journey. So do me a favor. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stocks using my link below. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.